Hi, it's JP at Sherwood Farm, and here's a little recipe to help you use up your leftover homemade hams. I've already made a little omelette mix, plain egg cooked in oil to go back into the rice later. We've got some diced onions, we've got a little sticks of ham, and some frozen peas. They're still frozen. So what you do is on a very hot wok, add your onions and give them a little head start. These onions have had 2 minutes. They're going slightly opaque and slightly brown because of the high temperature. Then you go in with your ham. And just give that a couple of minutes on its own. That's had a minute on its own just to get the ham warmed up. We're being fancy tonight and having some tiny prawns in it as well. They're raw, so they'll need to go in for a cook right now. And this is a good chance to get some seasoning in. So, tonight's seasoning, we have some onion granules, some garlic granules. They have a good concentrated flavour. We have some garlic and chilli sauce. This stuff packs a punch. It's a good brand, Lee Kum Kee, in the supermarkets, so you don't need much of that. And some salt and pepper seasoning. This is available online. It tastes of everything good that is Chinese flavoured. And don't forget to add a bit of sesame oil, which is a seasoning, not a cooking oil, so you don't need much. And just to get the colours going, a bit of soy sauce. Vertical pours, horizontal drizzles. So the prawns are just about cooked, so this is pre-cooked cold rice. Oh, should have smashed it up before we started. And then it goes.
Fried rice for 28 people.
Up to the buzz. So it's all mixed, it's had a sizzle for a few more minutes. Now the rest of the magic is your peas. They can go in frozen. And the egg mix, little omelette egg mix that we made earlier. You just chop that back through. Give it a good mix together. And then one final dash or two of soy sauce. Now just pour that in and let it sink to the bottom to generate some steam. Pop the lid on to make sure it all gets really hot because it's reheated foods. And we'll see that in another 2 minutes. That looks nice and steamy in there. The soy sauce will have hit the bottom of the pan and caramelised, giving it a nice dark flake through it. And I would say that is good to go.
Yum.